the shark, it was really born out of my time at Beyond Academics. I was trying to drum up interest and get the name out there, find something to build the traction for starting a Slate line of business at a consulting company that wasn't offering Slate before. And I would say one of the things, many things that I kind of threw against the wall was this little image of a shark with a mining cap and the pickaxe. And it was just the perfect mascot for myself. I wanted something that I could kind of look at while I was also writing and working, and just kind of have like my own little mascot cheering me on. That was the real origins. I just wanted something fun for myself while I was chipping away. And a lot of what I was establishing my services around was the engagement scoring, the predictive modeling, the artisanal student experience, basically what's becoming adaptive enrollment management. So all of that required data mining. And obviously, leaning heavily into Slate, the perfect mascot would of course be a shark. So I hopped onto ChatGPT, and after some iterating came back with who ended up being Clark C.J. Alexander, the data mining shark. That was definitely a game changer. The workshops that I had been doing had a huge increase. I think registrations doubled after I posted the shark in the Facebook group and the Slack channel. And I was like, this is it. This is where everything pivots. The Slate line is going to be successful now. And people really resonated for whatever reason. And I got a bunch of name submissions. And I'm like, I cracked the code. Mascots is how I'm going to find success for this new job. So I made like 20 of these little mascots. And I'm like, okay, every month I'm going to put one out into the community. I'll announce the winner of the name submission at the monthly workshops I was doing. And it turns out people didn't actually care.